Good morning, folks. We're live at 11:06, and as I copy the list here of 22 spots, we're running a 4-winner mini for Gary's 4-pack mailer, one of the coolest ones, I think. Gonna paste the list in here, 22 spots. Gonna roll the dice, got to get at least a 5. We got a 10, so we're good. Good luck, guys. Oh, sorry, forgot to add the description. Mailer Mini 2 by Gary. All right, now we're good. Let's do it. Rob in the top spot for round 1. Josh round 2. Steve round 3. Dennis round 4. Steve round 5. Rob round 6. Matt round 7. Bill in the top spot for round 8. Josh round 9. And our winners are Matt, Steve, and Matt. Congrats, fellas. Here's the official results. GPJ BJR. There they are. And I, folks, I'm done at 11:08 a.m. There it is. Again, here's the official results and our winners. Congratulations, guys. See you next time. Finish that Leia Mini. You can do it.